This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Move-in ready. This 2-bedroom 2 full bathrooms features a lovely remodeled kitchen and nicely updated bathrooms. Open floor plan with screened-in porch. Tile flooring throughout. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet and walk-in shower. Spacious laundry room. No pets allowed per HOA. Conveniently located across community college and close to Walmart. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.